Hey everybody, this is Evan with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today I'm going to show you how you can replace the contact associated with an opportunity inside of your command account. What we're going to go ahead and do is go to agent.kw.com. This is going to take you to your command login page, and you're going to use your KW username and password to go ahead and access your account. If you do not know your KW username or password, feel free to reach out to us, support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we would be more than happy to assist you. Now, once you've gone ahead and accessed your command account, we're going to go ahead and venture right over here to the toolbar on the left-hand side, and you're going to look for the opportunities icon, which is going to look like two hands shaking right over here. We're going to go ahead and click on that. Now, once this loads, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to the opportunity that was already created with the incorrect contact information. Now, there's two ways of doing this. You can go to all opportunities, or you can go to the phase that it's in. So if it's an active listing, you can go ahead and just click on active listing, and you can find that here. And what you'll do is you'll go ahead and click on the name of the opportunity, or what you could do if you do it from all opportunities, you can find the opportunities here, and you can just go ahead and click on that here. Once the opportunity details have loaded, we're going to go ahead right out here where it says key information, and we're going to venture to the right where you see this pencil. And we're going to go ahead and click on that. Now, this is going to give you all of the general information for your contact details, your opportunity details. And right here under contact name, this is where you're going to go if you would like to change the contact name. So you see here we have a test says Brittany, and we're going to go ahead and just click the X on that. Now say it's supposed to be Joe Schmo. Well, we're going to start typing in the name, and looky there's Joe Schmo. And it's going to go ahead and apply the email address and the phone number as well. We're just going to go ahead and click save. And then as you can see right here, the contact information has been updated. Guys, if you have any questions and you would like to reach out to us, feel free to do so at support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we would be more than happy to assist you. We hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.